the small business owners are working terribly hard to keep up, and especially in this economy. They have competition from large corporations with many more resources than they do. So when you think about their bookkeeping as being something that they have to do, but may not necessarily be very good at, it becomes really important that they understand that our job is to take something that's necessary off their plates, create more time for them to work on things that they're really good at, and provide them with kind of leveling the playing field a little bit between them and that large corporation that has all those resources at their disposal.
Yeah.
And I also believe that there's somehow a mindset with small business owners that they should know how to do this. I'm a small business owner. I should know how to do my books. Well, if you were a great bookkeeper, you'd be doing bookkeeping for a living. You picked another career path because you're really good at whatever it is you chose to do. And you need to find a trusted partner that can take care of your books, and you know that they're being done well. The team that we have working on our clients' books is amazing in the fact that they've got diverse backgrounds. They also, because they work as a team, you never have to worry about whether somebody gets sick or goes on vacation. We always have somebody who understands your books. And as sad as it may be that we have to worry about fraud, there is not that kind of worry for our clients because there isn't any one person who has sole control of their books. So it isn't possible for someone to do something without our auditors catching it. And I think that part of the small business owner's concern about turning their books over to someone else is that, can I trust this person? Is this something that I don't have to worry about anymore? And we want to give them that peace of mind. My expertise is in process management, project development, lean, anything to do with improving and eliminating waste. My job is to go in and really learn to understand what that business owner's pain points are. What are they trying to achieve? What is it that their vision is for their business? Because with my corporate background in project management and waste elimination, I can sit down there and help them analyze these things. And at the same time, they've got a great staff of bookkeepers that work for me who are able to do the transactional things after we've set those expectations up with the small business owner. Well, let's suppose it's a husband and wife who started a business like my husband and I. And the husband's busy working on the business. Maybe he owns a transmission shop or a car repair shop, or maybe he's just a great cook and he started a restaurant. And he knows the books have to get done and he doesn't have time to do them, so the wife, being the business partner that she is with him, says, oh, I'll take care of that for you. Well, what if she doesn't have a background in bookkeeping, and what if she doesn't understand the nuances of it, and they aren't watching it close enough to understand why their cash flow is hurting? I think that most small businesses understand that, yeah, you have a profit and loss statement, you may have a balance sheet that tells you what you owe and what you don't owe. But when it comes to cash flow, there is a whole another mindset there that says, I'm busy, I must be doing well.
Yeah.
And as a result, what I say that's the theory of eating soup with a fork. You're very, very busy, but you're not getting accomplished what you set out to do.
Right.
So I think that if they understand that core activities, the things that they do the best, or where they need to spend their time, that the time that they're not spending on their books can be reinvested in their business, and they will increase their revenues in that regard, even though bookkeeping itself is not revenue generating. I'm learning about your CPA community and your banking community and tax preparers and payroll providers. All of these businesses are really depending upon those small business owners having good books. I talk to banks all the time who say to me, I really would like to help this person get their small business loan, but
their books are a mess.
Their books are a mess. I have nothing to go by. They can't even give me a report so I can even look at it to see if they qualify. us. We do customizable bookkeeping services. Part of my job when I sit down with that small business owner initially is to find out what it is they truly need us to do. We'll only do as much as they want us to do. We can add things later, take them back if we need to, and it allows us to set a budget for them. So they have a flat fee that they know every month they'll be paying for their bookkeeping services and what it'll cover, and it takes that variable cost out of it.
I think that's great.